Friday, November 1st, 4:40 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. This video is going to go over the currency of the Euro US dollar. Day trade I took today, and I'll include a bonus at the end, giving a higher insight of the Euro that I've been sharing for the past days, past weeks, to my Patreon members that are on the higher level. So this afternoon, which not too often do I take day trades in the afternoon, I was looking at the euro using the future symbol /6E. Currencies also trade on the futures besides the Forex. It's a 1 minute chart. This green candle right here, that big body. And prior to it was that yellow candle. I had programmed on my computer, yellow candles represent that they didn't take out the higher low of the prior candle, referred to as inside candles, but I set mine as yellow. Here's one right there. After that yellow candle formed, that big green candle, 1 minute candle formed, and then the next green candle formed. Well, the bottom of this green candle and the high of that yellow candle never overlapped. So it's a gap. So I drew this out. 1 minute. Right there. Watched it. We had this green candle break below that red candle, lower high, lower low. So it made a trend reversal. Look, we had a high here, swing high here, retested it, lured in new buyers right there, as well as that red candle, and dumped. And I waited for that retracement to come in. So that green candle, buyers stepped in there, buying at the discount, buying at wholesale, buying on the dip. And I waited. Broke above. We all of a sudden had that gap there. As soon as I saw that gap, the price range was real small. It was just here, little wick, little candle by itself. Got in, went bullish, and it ran up real fast. Nice. Ran up another minute. And again, my stop was down here. So after the trend reverse, pull back, consolidation, a little up again, consolidation, pull back, lower low. Again, my stop was here. Inside candle. Reversal. Took off. So if you notice here, this is a consolidation. Impulse move up. Retracement, consolidation. Again, don't necessarily know it's going to be retracement because sometimes you have that big move, follow up, trend up. But we had a pullback again. But consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. Just look at this again. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. And then I close my position here. Thank goodness. Went up a little bit higher. Inside candle. Inside candles being indecision. And look at that, it was on the top of a trend. Inside candle, but the next candle made a lower low. So the trend reversed. So I'm glad I got out of the trade. It was a winner. Dragged on for a while, but I wanted to get out of it. So how did I choose that? Target on the upside. Some other things. Let's go continue looking at some higher time frames. 15-minute chart. 1 day, 15-minute chart. See this big red candle down? Big move down. Bottom of that red candle and the bottom of this green candle. Sorry, bottom of this red candle, the high of this green candle, they never connected. They never overlapped. So I labeled the bottom of that big red candle and thinking somewhere we're going to do a retracement up on this big candle. Got it? Right there, since 15-minute. Let's go take it to the faster time frame. Again, we're looking here at take it to the 1 minute. That's it right there. See this white line? That was the bottom of here, that white line. I'm going to make it a little bit wider. Make it 3 wide. There we go. It's wider. Remember, I got in here. So let's go back to the 1 minute. Yep, got in there. And I closed. I didn't close at the high. Got out early. Thank goodness I got out. for a profit, not a loss, and it turned against me. Yeah, worked out nice. Worked out nice. Let's go a little bit more further. Look at the 2-minute chart. Okay, the 5 minutes, the 15 minutes. Want to zoom out. I'm going to take it to the 2 days for the 15 minutes. Actually, 1 day. There we go, 1 day. So you see this big gray area? You're going to see that on the daily chart. I have that labeled. I've been sharing this for days. My Patreon members, I was thinking it's going to pull back here, potential trade idea. Let's go to the hourly. Zoom out more. So here's the hourly. Had that high on Tuesday, sell off, come back. Wednesday morning, tested it right there. So we're building what? We're building a ceiling here. That blue line, we broke above it, pull back, broke below it. So again, this key level, which you're going to see in a moment at daily, why I was waiting, sitting on hands, waiting for it to pull back here for several times. Been on a 4-hour. So on the upside, earlier today, big impulse move down on that red candle. I already labeled midpoint there. And I didn't think we were going to get up there today. Yeah, so didn't do any good sitting around waiting for that because it was just showing more weakness. So I took it to the lower time frames I showed you looking for a trade. Let's take it to the higher, so you can see now. So here we are on the daily chart. Daily chart. That green candle here, that high, that green candle, that low, they never overlapped. So I labeled that as the gap. That gray area, drew out the white line, the middle of it, which I'm going to show you now in the 1 minute again. All this is from that daily chart I showed you. And all of a sudden, oops, I'm sorry. Got to curve this in. Big round number. See this red horizontal line, 1.085. All of a sudden I saw that we got this consolidation, thinking, wow, we may not make it down here today. So I may not be able to get an entry off of that or a trade idea. Yep. So saw this consolidation. And when I start to see this consolidation, breakout consolidation, I'm thinking, okay, we might be at the bottom of the day. So let me look for a trade. So again, originally I was looking for a trade down here, but as I was watching the price action, that's what happened. Back on the daily, let me show you. Consolidation, bullish pin bar right there, breakout right there. I'd mentioned this several times to my Patreon members on high level. Trade idea, bullish trade idea, using options, bull put spreads, credit spreads, earning income. Nice. Again, 70% chance of success doing that. And what happened today? Broke above that high of the prior day and sell off. Yeah, still worked out. Gains, profits. Let's go to the weekly chart, see what's happening. 5-year chart weekly. We closed green for the week. We also made a higher low. We did not take out the low of last week. We also made a higher high. It's a trend reversal, but we closed back inside the range of that red candle and we closed below midpoint. So this is more of a bearish candle, even though the trend reversed. And that big wick may get retested soon. And on the monthly, well, new month right there, the yellow candle, new month. And that's how the prior month went down. Huge sell-off for that month, October, and buyers stepped in there. Hey, if you like early access to my videos, I have a Patreon page. On my Patreon page, I post the videos the same day. It's not for free. You got to make a donation. But you get access to the video the same day and a lot more great content. Otherwise, be days, weeks, whenever I feel like it, I'll post the YouTube video public. But again, my Patreon page, you'll learn a lot more, deeper insight. So that link is below in the description. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks you for watching.